Hello students, today we can do the remaining word problems. Question number 1 to 4 we did in the last class. Today we will be doing question number 5 to 8. What kind of questions we do? Multiplication. When the cost of one or number in one is given and to find the cost of many, we do the process of multiplication. Okay, now we can see question number 5. A baker makes 380 loaves of bread in a day. How many loaves of bread does he make in 215 days? The number of things made in one day is given and we are told to find out the number of things made in 215 days. One is given to find many. Here, which process we have to do? We have to do the process of multiplication. Now, what is 380? We can see the statements. What is 380? Loaves of bread a baker makes in a day. What is 380? Loaves of bread a baker makes in a day. That is equal to 380. Now, the next number, what are we going to multiply with it? We are going to multiply it with 215. What is 215? That is the number of days is equal to 215. Now, what will be the last statement? We have to find out it from the question only. How many loaves of bread does he make in 215 days? So, what will be our statement? Loaves of bread he makes in 215 days is equal to 380 multiplied by 215. When you do the process, we will get the answer. Okay, now we can see the next question, question number 6. Find the product of the greatest 4-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. Here the question is very clear, no need to ask anything because it's asked to find out the product. We know how to find the product. When do we get the product? When we multiply numbers, we get the product. If it is asked sum, what we have to do? We have to add them. If the difference is asked, we have to do the subtraction process. Here, very clearly it is asked the product. So, what we will do? We will multiply. Now, what all numbers we will multiply? That we have to see. What all numbers? The greatest 4-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? 9,999. That we should know. Then we can write easily. Greatest 4-digit number is equal to 9,999. Now, it is multiplied with what? The greatest 3-digit number. Which is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. So, therefore, the product is equal to 9,999 multiplied by 999. Now, we can do question number 7. A train can carry 753 passengers. How many passengers can be carried in 272 such trains? Here, a train. In one train, how many passengers are there? The capacity of one train is given and you are told to find out the capacity of 272 trains. Okay, so from one to many, again we are supposed to do the process of multiplication. Now what will be the first statement? What is 753? Number of passengers carried in a train or number of passengers a train can carry. So, number of passengers carried in a train is 753. Now, what is 272? 272 is the number of trains. Okay, so what will be the answer statement? Number of passengers can be carried in 272 such trains is equal to 753 multiplied by 215. 572. Okay, when you do the process, we will get the answer. And the last question, question number 8. A factory packs 128 bottles of soft drinks in a carton. How many bottles can be placed in 562 cartons? Number of bottles, soft drink bottles can be packed in one carton is given. From that you are told to find out number of bottles which can be packed in 562 cartons. Here also the question is question 1. Number of things which can be kept in one is given, and the number of things which can be kept in many is asked to find out. So we have to do the process of multiplication again. Okay. Now what is 128? It's a number of bottles of soft drinks, or only write bottles of soft drinks packed in a carton is equal to 128. Now what is 562? That is the number of cartons. So what will be the last statement? Therefore, bottles which can be packed in 562 cartons, or therefore bottles of soft drinks placed in 562 cartons is equal to 128 multiplied by 562. When we multiply, we get the final answer. Hope all of you understood. All of you try to do word problems on your own so that you will learn to write the statements. Thank you.